Come on. Look at them. Hey. I wanna break them up, but I can get through there. It's a private property, and yeah, they don't even see me. Hey, you guys. Come here. Come here. Are you guys done? No. Look at that. Look at them just. Every time when they cool down, the top one starts again. They rarely fight. Most of the time they just yell at each other and live there. No. But this time, I think they're gonna fight. But I can't break them off. Yeah. Come here. Hey. They're like children. They sound like one. Just try to trick them with food. Hi. Yeah, like I said, they rarely fight, and the tubby one decided to break it off. Yeah. I'm just gonna leave here the food if they were decide to eat. Okay. Come here. Come. Yeah. he said something to me and left.